Hi everyone, this is Kelsey at OwlHQ. In this video, we're going to explore a Windows feature called multiple desktops. You may also hear this called virtual desktops. This feature is available on Windows 10 and 11, but I will be demonstrating on a Windows 11 computer. We're all used to having one computer desktop, but you can actually have more than one all on the same computer, all with access to the same programs and files. Multiple desktops can help you keep things organized. For example, maybe I'm working on a project, but I have a Zoom meeting coming up and I don't want to close all my open programs. I can create a second desktop and use that for the Zoom meeting. Then, when the meeting is over, I can come back to my primary desktop and resume work on my project. So here I have my regular desktop with a bunch of programs open. I have File Explorer open on the desktop itself, and then I also have Firefox, Word, Excel, and Spotify open but minimized. And on the taskbar, there is a button called Task View. If you don't see that button on your taskbar, right-click on an empty spot on the taskbar, click Taskbar Settings, and then toggle the Task View button on. So I'm going to click this button and then click New Desktop. And as you can see, we now have a second desktop that looks almost identical to my other desktop, except no programs are open. It's like a clean slate. But note that all of my installed programs and files are accessible on both desktops. I'm not sure if there is a limit to the number of desktops that you can create, but you're not limited to just 2. If I click on the Task View button again, I do have the option to create another desktop. You can name your desktops by hovering over the Task View button and right-clicking on a desktop, and then left-clicking Rename. I'm going to name this one Zoom, and press Enter on the keyboard to save the name. You can also change the background of your desktops. This can help as a visual indicator when you're switching between desktops. Hover your mouse over the Task View button in the taskbar, right-click on a desktop, and left-click Choose Background. This will open up Windows settings, and you can then choose a new background from the stock Windows backgrounds or choose a picture from your computer. You can also drag open apps between desktops. For example, the Notepad app is currently open on my primary desktop, but if I want to move it to my second desktop, I just click on the Task View button and then drag the app I want to move on top of the second desktop. Let go of the mouse, and now if I click on my second desktop, Notepad is open. When you're done with the desktop, you can close it. Hover your mouse over the Task View button, then move your mouse over the desktop you want to close. An X will appear, and click the X to close the desktop. Note that if you have any apps or windows open when you close a desktop, they will get moved to your primary desktop. Last but not least, I just want to point out that your desktops will stick around even after you restart or shut down your computer. However, the apps that are open on the desktops will close. And that is it for this video on multiple desktops in Windows 11. I hope it's been helpful, and thanks for watching.